iQOO Z1 official renders reveal triple cameras, could be priced at $350. Some of the key design aspects of the upcoming iQOO Z1 have seemingly been revealed after the company released a whole host of promotional renders of the device. The images suggest that the handset might have a rectangular camera housing at the back with 3 image sensors and what seems to be an LED flash. The images further suggest that the volume rocker will be on the right edge alongside a power button integrated with the fingerprint scanner. As can be seen in the images below, the iQOO Z1 will be available in at least 2 color variants. The iQOO Z1 has been officially confirmed to launch on May 19, so hopefully, we'll get a little more info in the days leading up to the launch. Meanwhile, the iQOO Z1 is believed to be already up for pre-orders in China, but while the exact pricing is yet to be announced, a leaked image, see below, is said to have revealed that the 6GB plus 128GB variant will be priced at 2,498 yuan, around Rs. $25,352. Not much else is known about the device, but the company has confirmed some of its key tech specs through a series of teasers over the past few days. First off, it will ship with the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC, making it the first iQOO device to be powered by a non-Qualcomm processor. The company has also confirmed that the phone will feature a 144Hz display and 44W fast charging. The device also received its 3C certification last week, but the listing on the 3C website didn't seem to have revealed anything that hasn't been confirmed already.